Hello once again. My name is Kelvin Antukan, and in this video 72, I'm going to talk about the part 3, which is going to be the conditional formatting to make the presentation look good. So let me just go through this again. Right. So what we have done so far in our first video is we talk about how do we convert this date. And then secondly, we wrote the formula to do this part here where we actually know which rooms are available and which room is not. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to make those words available a little bit lighter so that it's not so outstanding. I'm going to go to conditional formatting. I'll tell them highlight cell rules that text contain. I'm going to put here available. Now, I am making it more outstanding now. No, that's not what I want. Huh? I'm going to do the format. So I'm going to say that the field is going to be no field, but the font is going to be a light gray color. So this kind of light gray. All right, so I'm going to hit OK. Okay, let me see what else I can do. I think everything is here. So yeah, just do OK. There you go. It's not so outstanding anymore. And I'm going to centralize them. So just OK and centralize them. So whenever it has not equals to available, so then I want it to be green, let's say, right? So I'm going to go into this manage new rule. A new rule says, okay, so now I'm in the cell P6. So I'm going to select equals to P6. Now I'm going to take away the dollar symbol. I'm going to say it's not equals to available. If it's not equal to available, then I want it to be formatted to green. Let's say this green. This green is nice, and I'll make it bold. Right. So let's see. OK. OK again. See, all those with not equals to not available will turn green. Right. So that's what I meant just now. I'm making those room that's already been booked become a little bit more outstanding so that we know which are the room that is already taken. So if I take the remainder of the data in, so just observe what is going on here. If I take this one in, you see more green color will appear. Yeah, so that is a trick here. We actually want to know as soon as we receive another order, we type in here, we want this to be available visually for us to visualize which room is available. Okay, so if I want to know the total booking for the particular day, total booking, right? So I need to do a count. Now, why is this changing? Because I'm using random. I'm using a random date. So that's why it's giving me different item. Okay, so you see, I'm going to use this one. Okay, now anyway, I'm going to put here say equals to count if, right? Count if this entire row, okay, this entire row is equals to not equal to, right? So I'm going to be not equals to, okay, available. As long as it's not equals to available, then let's see whether this works. Huh? Yeah, so far it's 0. So if I will copy it down, then it says 4, right? 4 item altogether. So I'm going to remove this rules here. I'm going to make sure that it's not all the way to Z. It's only all the way to Y. So both of this is only to the Y. Right. Okay. Now I've already set up the conditional formatting just now. So now I know how many total bookings are there. Total bookings are there for this particular day, for each of the day. Then I can see. Okay. So the numbers are changing, right? The numbers are changing. So it's okay. We keep this one because I'm using some random data. So if I'm using random date, they will keep on changing. All right, so I hope you like what you are seeing here, and please help me to like and share this video to a lot of people. Right, so just look at this video 72, and please sign up or subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. So thank you, and I'll see you in our next video, 73. Thank you, sir.